Hi, my name is Hezkiel Tri Moza and I am a representative of Group 5. Today, I will show the result of our group project that we named Rock, Paper and Scissors Game in Programming Language. We apologize in advance for not being able to explain in detail about this program because it will take too long. Okay, without further ado, let's go straight to how the program runs. For the first try, I will choose a paper. And it turns out to be a tie. Next, I will choose rock. Turns out that this time I won. Okay, next I will try scissors. And it turns out that I lose. As you can see, it's really a simple game. Well, if I may say, the code itself is not very simple, I guess. Actually, we also made another game, but this time we used the Python programming language, where the code is simpler and easier to build compared to the program we made with the Pascal language. Let's start with the title. Now we will type import random. Then we will create a list of choices with options equal rock, paper, scissors. With the condition running equal true. Next, while running, player equal none, computer equal random.choice in list options. Then we will create a condition where when the player enters a choice that is not included in the list of choices. Now what it means is that when the players enter the wrong or non-existent choice, the program will ask for another choice that is in the list of choices. We do it with while player not in option, player equals input, enter a choice, rock, paper, scissors. Next, print f player in bracket player and print f computer in bracket computer. Next, we will create an answer condition starting with a tie condition. If player equals computer, print it's a tie. Then for the winning condition, if player equals rock and computer equals scissors, print you win, and so on. Then for the losing condition, we use else print you lose. Next, we will ask if the player wants to play again or not using if not input play again y/n dot lower equals y. Running equals false. Now, if the player chooses no, we will say thank you for playing with print thanks for playing. Okay, now let's run the program. Paper. I win again. Okay, one more paper. I win again. Now scissors. Huh. Then rock. There you go. I lose. More paper. Win again. Scissors. Now it's a tie. Rock. Try again. Another scissors. I win again. Now let's try with choices that are not on the list, like gun or sword. As you can see, the program won't run because I chose the options that are not exist. The program will only run if the player choose the right options such as rock, paper, and scissors. Okay, now I'm gonna type N to end the program. Thank you for watching our video and have a wonderful day.